In this video, I'm going to explain how to buy, sell, withdraw, deposit Bitcoin in Zimbabwe in 2019. So my name is Kuda, and there is a lot of changes that happens within the Bitcoin community, and some of the methods that people or some of the websites that people used to buy Bitcoin before, some of them may not be working, but I want to do this update. This is actually April 2019, and I really got to this idea when a friend of mine from South Africa actually asked me about it. So the question was like, okay, she came in WhatsApp and she was like, I really need your help here. Let's say someone is in Zimbabwe and there's Bitcoin account and need to transfer the Bitcoin to a bank account to access cash. Like here in SA, this person is actually in South Africa. Okay, we are able to transfer cash into our bank account. Okay, now my response was like, yes, you can do that. So to the person who's actually hearing the word Bitcoin for the first time, I want you to go to this website. I'm going to be mentioning a lot of websites. So in the description below, you'll find all the websites that I'll be talking about. This is a Bitcoin for Beginners course. It's actually free at the time that I'm actually doing this recording. All you have to do is to find the link below this video, and you can actually do the Bitcoin for Beginners. So this covers what is Bitcoin and all the other things that you need to know as a beginner, okay? So you need to find the link below this video. So let me just continue. And my response to that, it was yes, okay? So this person is in South Africa and she doesn't know how it's done in Zimbabwe, okay? So in South Africa, it's pretty easy. And she went on to say, I actually covered the company name here. I recently joined a company, and I'm sure you know it. Yes, I know the company that she was talking about. It's another cryptocurrency with network marketing side of it. The coins are still very cheap to buy. It also has a network marketing side where you get paid in pounds every Wednesday. So I have a team in Zimbabwe, and the joining packages are in pounds, but we need to use Bitcoin to join. Okay, our earnings are also in pounds, but we are able to transfer them to our Luno account. So now they were saying in Zimbabwe they are not able to access their Bitcoin. Okay, and I was like, no, that's not true. You can actually access your Bitcoin if you are in Zimbabwe. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to break down this question into little parts. Okay, let me just highlight what she actually said. Joining the packages are in pounds, so we need to use Bitcoin to join. So they want to use Bitcoin to join. I'm going to put all the keywords in red. Okay, I'm going to put all the keywords in red. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, and then we want to be able to transfer them. Okay, they want to be able to transfer them to Luno account. She mentioned Luno there. Okay, I'm going to be able to break it down. And then here she says in Zim they are not able to access their Bitcoin. This is not true. In Zim you can access your Bitcoin. Very easy, very easy. So what I'm going to do is, this person is in South Africa and she's using Luno to actually do that. So what I'm going to do here is, let me just go to Luno website. So this is the Luno website that actually does the Bitcoin, and you can actually deposit Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, send Bitcoin to your bank account, but only if you are in South Africa. Okay, so what I'm just going to do here, I just want to sign in into my Luno account, and then right now I'm actually signed into my Luno account. As you can see on the let me just get one of these pointers. Okay, as you can see on the left top panel, there is my name there, and here there is Luno. So what happens is, if I need to send Bitcoin, okay, check out the message that I actually get. Okay, let me just sign in once again. I don't know why it locked me out. Okay, let me just sign in once again. Okay, blah 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 blah. Let me just sign in. Okay. I'm actually, so yeah, look what they said. We are not in your country yet. When we launch in Zimbabwe, we'll be able to buy and send Bitcoin. So we are not able to buy and send Bitcoin because I'm actually doing this video from Zimbabwe. So if you're in Zimbabwe, don't consider using Luno. okay, because you won't be able to send and receive Bitcoin. So I'm actually going to close this, okay. The website that is used in Zimbabwe to buy to receive and send Bitcoin is called Blockchain. I'm going to put a link below this video. Blockchain, I've been using Blockchain since 2014, okay, to keep my Bitcoin to send and receive. I've been using this and it works well in Zimbabwe. So let me go back to the question that she asked again. The joining packages are in pounds to join, so they want to get the Bitcoin, okay. So now instead of using Luno, you use Blockchain. That's number one. Number two, if you want to buy Bitcoin, okay, the first thing that you can do, you can buy Bitcoin from a person that you know, like, and trust in Zimbabwe. You give them EcoCash, you give them bond notes, you give them USD, they give you the Bitcoin, okay. But make sure you trust that person and you know them, where to find the address, because there's a lot of con artists in terms of Bitcoin. There's a lot of people that are using Bitcoin in Zimbabwe. Now, a website that you can use in Zimbabwe, if you don't want to use a person, is this website, which is called CryptoGem, okay, which is called CGem. I'm going to put a link below this video of this website. Now, CGem is, I wanted to think of CGem as a marketplace where you actually come in and say you want to buy Bitcoin, and then you meet the seller, okay. Let me just do a little bit of some diagrams there, okay. So this is CGem, okay, and this is right here is the seller, okay, and you're actually the buyer, okay. Now what happens is the seller is going to come here and deposit Bitcoin to CGem, okay. It's going to deposit Bitcoin to the company, and then that's when the company lists the seller that you can actually sell the Bitcoin here, right there. So as you can see, this person, this means this person is dealt with plus 10 people. This person is dealt with 43 people, and they have Bitcoin. They're selling Bitcoin from $500 worth to $10,000 worth, and they want USD. So they've deposited this money into CGem. Okay, it's a Zimbabwean company. And you as the buyer, you go and tell this person that I want to buy your Bitcoin, okay? And at the time that you're discussing the issues, CGM will be holding on to your Bitcoin, okay? And then this guy will actually gonna come and say, yes, you can actually release the Bitcoin to this person. So the people that understand about Bitcoin, they understand the process that I'm actually talking about. If you're new to Bitcoin, please just go and go and take the training that I've actually told you about. So as you can see, if I actually come here, let me just come here. If I actually come here, you can see all these transactions that I've actually done on this website when I buy and sell Bitcoin. So this is the place to buy and sell Bitcoin. Let's say you want to join the program that she spoke about. You come here, you buy the Bitcoin, and you have made some profit, you're getting paid every Wednesday, you come here, you sell the Bitcoin, or find someone who can actually do that for you. So now they are not able to access their Bitcoin. So like I said, this is not true in Zimbabwe. You can actually access your Bitcoin if you know the website that I've actually explained. So now the last question that she said, so in other words, are you saying it's possible to accumulate Bitcoin in Zimbabwe and access it in USD? This is the last question that she asked, and then say, you know what, I'm going to do a video, a walkthrough that I can actually explain what you really need to know. So the answer is yes, you can actually make money from the company that she said, and then when you get paid every Wednesday in pounds or in Bitcoin, you can actually get paid in USD. So you can actually go to this website and you can say, as you can see right there, let me just show you. What it means here is this person is selling Bitcoin and they want Zipit. Okay, people in Zimbabwe understand what Zipit is. This person is selling Bitcoin and they want EcoCash. Okay, and this person is selling Bitcoin and they want cash deposit. Cash deposit simply means they want you to go and pay them the money in hand. Okay, and you are actually safe if you're using this website. Okay, if your communication is on this website, you're actually safe. Okay, so with that being said, I hope I've actually answered the questions that my good friend has, and I know most of the people that have this question, and I've put the links below this video to go to all the websites that I've actually explained. With that being said, thank you very much. If you have any questions or any contribution, just leave a comment below this video. I'll be more than happy to help you. With that being said, thank you very much. Bye for now.